Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'd like to take you behind the scenes and show you how the CustomGPT is set up. So I launched this GPT about a week ago now. So I launched it on the 27th of May 2024 and today it's the 5th of June 2024. So about over a week now since its launch. So I've had a lot of feedback, a lot of positive feedback, and I've also had some concerns as well. So in this video I'd like to take you behind the scenes to show you how this GPT is set up. So if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, I hope by showing you how this GPT is set up, it will be able to answer some of your questions. If you're just curious about how this GPT was set up, well, I hope this video will also help you out as well and help answer the questions that you have. Hey, so if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to write in the comments below, and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So let's dive into the video now, and I'll show you how I set up this PNG Maths Primary School GPT. So when I first created this GPT, I named it PNG Maths Primary School GPT. I decided to change the name to PNG Maths Tutor for grades 6, 7, and 8 in case in the future I need to create another GPT for grades 3, 4, and 5, for example. So that's why we have this name change. So anyway, coming back to the topic, CustomGPT. So what are CustomGPTs? Just in case you don't know what CustomGPTs are. So CustomGPTs are custom versions of ChatGPT which are customized and fine-tuned for your specific use case and requirements. So what does that mean? Well, we have ChatGPT still as the base technology behind CustomGPTs. But with ChatGPT, it is knowledgeable in a lot of different subjects because it's been trained on a lot of data, on a lot of information. So you can ask it anything you want, from questions on weather, whatever questions you want to ask ChatGPT, it's able to answer your questions on a wide range of topics. The difference with CustomGPT is that we are trying to make it more specific to a particular use case or for a particular task that you need it to do. So coming back to our PNG Maths Tutor for grades 6, 7, and 8, let's dive in now and see how it's been set up. On the top left hand menu, I'll go directly to edit the GPT. And that's going to take me to the interface to create and edit custom GPTs. Okay, so here we've got two options. We can use the GPT builder, which is found under the create option, or we can go directly into configure and configure directly our GPT. So when I first created this GPT, I didn't know really how well to do it, so I used the create option. So basically in the create option or the create menu, we use the GPT builder, and basically we just prompt the GPT. We just tell it the type of GPT that we want to create. Okay, so once the GPT was created in the GPT builder, I went over to the configure option or the configure menu, and the three fields here, the name, description, and instructions. The information in these three fields here were automatically completed by ChatGPT. So for the name and description fields, these two fields here I can change with not much impact to the functionality of the GPT, because the name and the description is just what just text fields that the viewers will see. But the biggest impact, or what determines or drives this custom GPT, is all the information in the instructions here. So this, I sort of with time testing out this GPT, I modified it. So this is where the customization or the fine-tuning of the GPT comes in. So this is where we specifically tell ChatGPT that our custom GPT should behave or should respond in a certain way. So this information here is very important. So if you want to create your own GPT, that's fine, but you have to know what you're doing and how to give instructions to ChatGPT to sort of guide it, or to guide your CustomGPT to respond in a certain way. Okay, so moving on to the next section, the conversation starters. So these are just example prompts that you see when you start up a custom GPT. Okay, so next up we have the knowledge base. So this section here is very important as well, because it's here that I uploaded the teacher's guides and the syllabus. And if you can read the text just under knowledge, if you upload files under knowledge, conversations with your GPT may include file contents. So this feature is quite cool because now we can add more specific and detailed information to our GPT, making it more fine-tuned and specific to our use case. Okay, and moving on to the capabilities section, I disabled web browsing, daily image generation, and code interpreter and data analysis, because I wanted the GPT to be specifically looking for information in the syllabus and the teacher's guide. So for now, as of the date of this recording, these options here are disabled. So as of the date of this recording, these are all the settings that are in place for this custom GPT. Maybe in the future I might add on additional functionalities. So I forgot to mention about the profile picture here. So if I click on the profile picture, I have the option to upload a photo or ask Delhi to generate the image. So for this image here, it was generated by Delhi. So on the right we have the preview interface, which allows us to test the GPT as well as we're configuring. And once our GPT is created and ready to share with the world, we go up to the share menu, which is on the right hand side. If I click that, I have three options. I can either set that GPT to be accessed by myself, to anyone with a link, or to the GPT store, which makes it public. And to wrap things up, I'd like to take you guys back to the main interface here and right down to the review GPT. So when you're using this GPT, please take time to leave a feedback, rate this GPT. If you found any errors, please send me a mail, because I'm continuously testing it out and monitoring the responses that the GPT gives. So please take some time to give me some feedback as well. That would be great. So right now, as of the date of this recording, I've got about, let me see how many people are using this GPT. We've got about 100 plus conversations. So that's the number of times this GPT was accessed. So try this GPT out. Let me know in the feedback in the review section how you find this GPT, and I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you learned something new and was inspired as well to work on your projects as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some value in this video. If so, please consider supporting the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.